class? 6.3, perimeter and area of rectangles, triangles, and parallelograms. We okay with this? You ready? Okay, quick review then. Perimeter. Perimeter is what? So around the outside, right? So if the distance around the outside is the perimeter, what is the thing, or what is the space inside of a shape called? Area. And we're talking about 2D shapes, right? What does 2D mean? What else does it mean? Flat. Good. Look at this rectangle here. We have a couple of measurements, yes? What are the measurements of a shape called? Say again? So these are our dimensions. What makes the measure, or what makes the shape, or what makes up the shape? Formula, something that helps us solve a problem. We good with that? Okay, cool. All right, here we go. Big stuff. This formula, A equals BH. You're going to see that. What does it stand for? Together. When we're talking about what shapes? And what if you see this? What does length times width mean in relationship to base times height? They're the what? They're the same. Eyes are all here still? What do we know about this formula? Do we like it? It's gross, right? It is the formula for a triangle, or the area of a triangle, but we're going to use this one. Even if we're given that one above, we're going to rewrite it using that one, right? Because it's almost the exact same as the area of a rectangle or a square. The only difference is a triangle we know is like what compared to a square? Half. So if we're going to find the area of a triangle, we're going to do base times height, but we're going to divide by? We good? What's your label for area? What's it? What is it again? We got to get together here. This is going to be a long video. Perimeter. So if area labels unit squared, perimeter label is? Units. And that would be whatever measurement you're given. And if you're not given a measurement, we use? What are these numbers called that we use to solve the problem? What are we calling them? They're dimensions, but then we call them plugins, right? So I need to see what you're plugging in to solve. After that, I don't care if you use your calculator. So area, are these my plugins? I'm going to move right on. Triangle. This was a big one, right? Is this the height of a triangle? Yes or no? Why? It's slanted. So will you be given the height, like outside or inside of the shape as a line going straight up and down? So the height is actually the 9, right? And then when you're calculating the area of a triangle, the big thing is you do base times height, but you have to? Say again? Divide by what? 2. Divide by 2. We cool? Parallelograms, we know what all that stuff is. Here we go. Is this the height of our parallelogram, yes or no? No. Why? So the height is again given to us going straight up and down. What if you're given a problem like this? So you're given the area, yes? You're given the base, yes? You need to find the height. So some of you know how to find that using division. But if you didn't, would you just give up on the problem? No. What would you use? What strategy? Could you just punch things in your calculator until you actually found the missing number? We good?